In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get full coverage on USA on auto insurance. To get started, go to USA and sign into your account using the website or the mobile app. Once you're logged in, head to your auto insurance policy so you can review your current protection and make any needed updates. This is the easiest place to see exactly what you already have and what may be missing. Next, open your policy details and look closely at your current coverage. You want to check for three main parts: liability coverage, collision coverage, and comprehensive coverage. Liability helps cover damage or injuries you may cause to others. But when people talk about what's commonly called full coverage, they usually mean a policy that includes liability plus both collision and comprehensive. If collision or comprehensive is missing, then you likely do not have full coverage in the way most lenders and drivers use that term. If collision coverage is not already on your policy, add it. Collision coverage helps pay to repair or replace your vehicle after a covered accident, no matter who caused it. This is especially important if your vehicle is financed or leased because lenders commonly require it. After that, make sure comprehensive coverage is also included. Comprehensive protects your vehicle from non-collision events like theft, vandalism, fire, hail, flooding, falling objects, and even animal collisions. Just like collision, this coverage is also often required if you are financing or leasing your car. Once those coverages are in place, choose your liability limits and your deductibles. Your liability limits should at least meet your state's minimum requirements, although many drivers choose higher limits for better financial protection. Then select deductibles for collision and comprehensive based on what works for your budget. A higher deductible usually means a lower premium, while a lower deductible usually means a higher premium but less out-of-pocket cost if you file a claim. You can also review optional coverages available on your policy. These may include uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, roadside assistance, rental reimbursement, and car replacement assistance if you qualify. These options can add valuable protection, but they are generally not required for what is commonly called full coverage. Finally, review all of your updates carefully, confirm the changes, and submit them. If the new coverage increases your premium, complete any required payment. After the changes take effect, check your updated declarations page to make sure your policy now shows liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. That's how to get full coverage on your USAA Auto Insurance policy.